Hey everyone, in this video we will talk about the ETL steps in Power Query. So on the extreme left we've got Excel, which could be a data source. We've got SQL Server, and then we've got cloud services, could be AWS or could be Azure. And then you get the data and then you merge the data. You could rename columns and you could filter out some of the columns. So that would be a transform step. And once you've done it, you essentially move that data to the next phase, which is called the load data phase. So we'll go through demos for each of them. So essentially we'll cover getting data from Excel database, we'll cover getting data from SQL Server, and we'll talk about extracting data from cloud services as well. So those will be a few demos that we'll take as we go along in this journey. And then we will also look at the steps which are created in Power Query when we build this logic. And once we have done the transform data phase, we load the data into Power BI, and then we can do further data model enhancement using DAX. So I just wanted to cover and take you through the steps or the high level steps again in Power Query. I hope you find this video useful, and thanks for watching this video. Please do subscribe to my channel and like my videos if you enjoy what I'm doing. Cheers, bye.